Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat and welcome to another episode of Agapay Tatak Rosa Rosal. At itong episode natin na ngayong gabi, may twist ito ng konti. I decided to move away from our usual medical concerns for something lighter but para sa akin equally as important. Mr. Bong Ledesma, he is a professional animal behavioralist and pet whisperer. Magandang gabi and thank you for joining us this evening.
Thank you, William. Thank you sa invite. Good morning.
Okay. Pagka sinasabi natin obedience training, Sir Bong, what does this encompass? Ano ang ibig sabihin ng obedience training? Because ako, para sa akin, it's heel, sit, stay. Yun, that's the traditional na ano ko eh. Yeah.
The usual, sit down, stay, usually magagamit mo sa everyday life mo yan.
Yes.
Sa kasama mong aso. So if you want them to stay, may puntahan ka, just let them stay. And then, pasok ka something or ano. Medyo mga high advance na mga training, nag-antay lang mga aso doon. So when you go back, nandun siya, and sit down, stay, yun.
As in, kahit na mawawala ka ng 20-15 minutes, andun lang siya.
Yeah.
Nako-control natin yon.
Yeah.
I see. Tsaka ito na yung exciting part, Sir Bong, dahil ipapakita na natin kung ano yung kakayanan ni Small. So, without further ado, let's take it away. Sir Bong, can you show us a little bit of what Small can do?
Okay.
Starting off with,
we're gonna let her pick the basket.
Okay, so.
Yeah. Small. Catch your basket. Oh.
Okay, wow, ang galing. So you can put anything in the basket, dadalhin niya.
Usually she's gonna bring her toys or something.
Okay. Anong next?
So next we can let her speak. Small is 11 years old. So tanungin ko lang, how old is she? How old are you? Okay. How old are you? Okay, that's 11.
So, it's 11 barks for 11 years of age. Okay, galing. Okay.